Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to Excel to PDF in mobile. Open the Excel app, tap the file, then choose Export or Share and select PDF as the format. Adjust page size, orientation, and scaling to fit content before exporting. Save to your device or cloud, then verify the PDF pages and formatting quickly. These steps keep your workflow smooth and consistent on any phone. Change orientation and paper size early to avoid layout issues when converting to PDF on mobile. Tap Page Setup or Print Preview, then set margins and scaling for clear columns and readable text. Use Fit to Page when spreadsheets are wide, and toggle grid line visibility if needed. Preview every export to catch layout shifts, then export only when the PDF matches your intended presentation and readability goals. Select the right export settings to control quality and file size for mobile PDF creation. Pick high quality for printing or reduce size for fast sharing. Decide whether to include comments, hidden sheets, or changes, and confirm the destination like device storage, OneDrive, or email. Naming the file clearly helps you find it later, and a quick check of the exported PDF ensures everything converted as expected.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.